Ooh. Okay, freckle face mommy. Ooh, shoot. Wish my neighbor would stop cutting grass. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Milangrielle, and today we're going to be doing a what I bought during quarantine haul. I did some damage. The shipments are still not, they're all not here yet, but we're gonna get into it, okay? Okay, let's start with the 3 most important things I bought, because without them it would be nearly impossible for me to film or edit or be motivated. The first thing I have is my backup hard drive, just Seagate Backup Plus. I got it from Sam's Club. It's 2 terabytes, relatively decent price, and without her, computer would crash, couldn't edit, couldn't upload. Okay. The next one I have is this wireless mouse I got from Amazon, and she makes everything so much easier to edit. Like, I was trying to use a little trackpad and I couldn't. Like, she's clipped, she's done, get you a mouse, baby. And then the last thing I have, I can't show you because I'm actually using it, but it's my tripod and ring light. It will be linked below, and I'll probably put a picture up, but tried and true. It's just like a little 10-inch. It was super cheap. Not cheap, but not as expensive as they get, if y'all know what I mean. Okay, now that we're done with techie stuff, let's get on to the beauty and skincare. This is some stuff that I bought, actually all of it's stuff that I bought during the Sephora sale. So if you wasn't shopping with the Sephora sale, I don't know what you're doing. But actually, let me know in the comments what you think, because why are they taking so long to ship my stuff? What is the controversy? Because I must have missed it. I'm confused, but they are taking mad long to ship my stuff, and I'm not with it. Like, don't make me go back to Ulta, because I don't want to. Believe me, I don't want to. But Sephora, what's up? What's going on? I have bought the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 2W2 Rattan. Somebody let me know. I bought this foundation a while ago when I actually was first getting into makeup, but I think what happened was it was just too thick for me. Like, then I probably obviously didn't know what I was doing. This was before makeup was like popping, because I have always had really bad skin, so I was always trying to find the best thing to cover it up. So I'm gonna try that out again because I know it's popping, and make it do what it do. Let's see what happens. And then I also bought, oh, I'm so excited for these. Okay, wait. Oh. Okay, these are the Glamnetic magnetic lashes. I had seen Nazanin Kavari, one of my favorite YouTubers, talk about these lashes. I like lashes. I love the look of lashes, but you know, the application process just be doing the most sometimes. So these are magnetic lashes. You put them on with you put them on with this eyeliner, and the only thing I hate is that you couldn't get the eyeliner and the lashes like as a duo, if that makes sense. Like, yeah, you got a coupon code and there's whatever, but I wish that it automatically came with one or something like that. But I'm really excited to try these. So what happens is you apply the liner, and then you let it dry, and then you just apply these magnetic lashes, and there's 6 little, I wonder if I can do it. There's like 6 little, probably not, whatever. There's 6 little like magnets on it. Oh, look, that's so cool. See, and it just pops right back. This little, so like it looks super long actually. I'll just insert a picture. But I got the style Venus because I have like almondy shaped eyes, so I like for them to be like kind of fanned out, like cat eye low-key. So I bought Venus. I'm so excited to try these. Let me know if you guys want to see like a update once I wear them, or like maybe a video with them in them. Just let me know. Give me actually video comments below, video suggestions. Like, I need that. So that's that. I'm so excited for that. Now we're doing skincare. I re-upped on my Hum Nutrition Daily Cleanse vitamins. I actually had started out with the Hum Nutrition Skin Heroes or Skin Squad. I forget what they changed it to now. It's one of those two. It's like a pre and probiotic. So I was starting off taking that, and then it was like, oh, this one goes well with it. So now I take both of them at the same time, except for I don't have the Skin Heroes here to show you because they took them off Sephora shelves because they were redoing them. And the Hum Nutrition website is only like a subscription-based service, which is dumb to me because I want what I want, but I don't want to subscribe. So yeah, those are actually in my second Sephora order that's waiting to come because they take months to ship out. Next, I finally got the Summer Fridays Jetlag mask. I'm really excited for this. Well, I actually have used it a couple times, but I don't really know if it's doing anything for me. Let me know if you have this and if it did anything for you. I mean, I only use it like twice. That's because I'm cheap and I don't want to use it all. Okay, and then I got the OleHenriksen Glow 2O. Glow 2O? Glow 2, I don't know. The dark spot toner, the blue one. And honestly, I've only used this like for the past week and I do see a large difference. I suffer from hyperpigmentation because I in the past have had and still struggle with like really bad acne. I was actually on Accutane. I did it 3 times. So if you want an Accutane story or something along the lines of that, let me know because your girl's experienced. She's done it, okay? But that toner really has helped me so far with like my hyperpigmentation. I do see a large difference. Next, I love this brand so much. Tried and True, love their toners. I have their acne clearing gel or whatever it is, cleanser, acne clearing gel cleanser in my bathroom right now. Like I love it, Tried and True. The Dermalogica brand. This is my first time buying it, the Intensive Moisture Balance. Now, see, I bought this during the sale and this is my only issue with this. Why was she $40-something? This is, and my dumb behind, I didn't even look to see like what the ounces were or anything. I just bought it and I was like, okay, it's not the mini. This has to be the decent size. Wrong. This one is 1.7 fluid ounces for $40-something. The next one, which would have been a decent size one, is $70, which I should have just known, but I should have got it. But this moisturizer is like super thick. I use it in the morning, like real early if I'm not about to go outside for like a little bit, just because it puts the moisture back in my face. I do have combo skin. She kind of just does what she wants. One day she's dry, one day she's oily. She's never normal though. So the next product I have are, so my sister, Sess Mercedes, I will link her channel either on the screen or down below. She had actually put me onto these, not this specific one, but this brand in general. She uses the Peter Thomas Roth, like the gold, 24-hour gold ones or something like that. 42 karat gold, I don't know. But I had decided to buy the Cucumber Detox Hydrogel Eye Patches by Peter Thomas Roth. Looks like that. And I've used them once and I really like them. The only thing I didn't like is that they like slid down my face. Like I put them on and I was trying to move around like and clean. Which it's no big deal for me to just put them on and sit down and relax. But she said that's a good thing because that means there's like a lot of stuff in it, but still. I did notice a difference though. I did notice that my eyes were like, obviously they were smoother because of the serum in it, but they were also very like depuffed because my eyes get really puffy, especially in the morning, but I'm sure that's with everyone. Okay, and for the last couple items I have to show you all. I may have went a little overboard with this stuff, but when you see why, it'll make sense to you. Now, you know, with quarantine and everything, like we couldn't really be getting our nails done and stuff, getting popping or whatever. So I did buy some nail stuff. I bought a lot, actually, too much. I'll start out with the basic stuff that I don't care about. I got like a little nail kit from Amazon, basic. I do use a cuticle cutter a lot and like the one nail pushy backy thingy, but everything else I don't really use. I don't know how. That's that. A nail cutter thing for fake nails, you know that shit, you know. And then a nail buffer side thing with a file and all this good stuff. Now for the fun and important stuff, okay? My gel lamp thing, the UV light thing for gel. I bought it. It was cheap. I like it. It actually works a lot. The Sun UV 2-in-1 LED UV lamp. She's cool. She gets the job done. She does spike. I don't know. Can someone let me know if you do your own gels at home, if your lamp spikes a lot? Mine doesn't spike a lot, but like it spikes enough for me to be like, child. Ooh. But this is what she looks like. The cord's just in the box because I'm not taking that out. But it has on off, 50, 30 seconds, you know, the good stuff. Love that. Love her. And then I obviously couldn't get a LED lamp without an e-file. She's not put together because every time I'm done doing my nails, I always take my e-file apart. But I got this off of Amazon. I will try to link it and put a decent picture up on the screen somewhere for you all. But this e-file definitely wasn't expensive because I'm not, there's certain things I'll spend money on, but this was not one of them. It was maybe like $30, but it's totally worth it. Like I said, I'll link it below. And last but not least, my favorite, absolute favorite purchase of quarantine. It's the Apres Gel X Kit. Now, I bought the whole kit. It was a little pricey, but they have Afterpay. So you know I utilized that. So in the kit, oh, mine's like real messy. So I just got the sculpted square medium tips. That's actually what I have on my nails now. Oops, where'd the camera at? Yeah. It's my second time doing my nails with this kit and everything. So in the kit, I'm actually just gonna put up a picture, but in the kit you get like the mini LED lamp, a nail file with 100 grit and 150 grit. You get the hydrator, the primer, the base coat, and the top, or the gel extend, which is what you use. It's like the glue essentially, and the top coat. And this kit has been saving my life. Let me know if you all want a nail tutorial on like how I do my nails. Don't come for me, I'm not a nail tech. This is literally, if that's the case, that'll be my third time doing my nails by myself with this kit. I was gonna film it, but then she wasn't working out, so regardless, I think I'm gonna film the video for you all. But yeah, just let me know if you'd like to see that. This kit is the truth. It's honestly very easy to do. It's just the fact that like I'm a perfectionist, so it's like when things don't work out the way I want them to, I kind of get like a little, you know. But love that kit. Good purchase. I also bought these like butterflies for my nails, the first set of nails I did. I hope I could find the pictures of my nails, because if so, they'll be on the screen. But the first set of nails I did had like butterflies in them. I think they're super cute, and you know, you can play around with them, and it's like, it doesn't really matter because we're on quarantine, so it's not like anyone's really gonna see you, you know. Okay, and the last couple things I have to show you also help me with my nails, and it's from the brand, oh shoot, okay, well I think it's either Valentino Beauty Pure or Valentino Beauty. I'll link it, or I'll put a picture up, one of the two. And I found them on Instagram. I was looking through their stuff, they look really good. I have bought these, well, the first thing I bought from them was like this little kit, essentially like a gel starter kit, and it came with the base coat, the top coat, and one gel polish of your choosing. I chose this orange color. This was that I used on my first set of nails. I love this color. I'm not like a colors kind of girl. Honestly, I'm usually just like a white, light baby pink, maybe like light purple-ish. But this color looks so good, and the polish, you guys, amazing. So I'm gonna say. So then, you know, I had to double back around, and I got this color, which is on my nails currently. And I had also got another color, but they didn't ship it yet because I think with everything with coronavirus. So that should be coming though. They said that they'll probably be shipping stuff separately. Okay, and that's everything that I bought during quarantine. I am getting more stuff in, like I said, so if you all want to see a part 2, let me know. I also believe I have a clothing haul coming soon. Not maybe a clothing haul because I didn't buy that much stuff though, because a lot of it was sold out because y'all was buying it up and I can't get nothing. But that's all I bought. Let me know if you all want an updated like brow routine. This is like my minimalistic makeup, minimalistic updated brow routine that I did, because I told you all that since my brows are so thick that it's harder for me to do them. So I did decide it was time to tweeze them and do all that good stuff. So let me know if you see a difference, let me know if you like them, and let me know if you want to see a video on it. Yeah, and I think that's it. Be sure to check out my first video ever on YouTube. I'll link it, and then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.